Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can delete your DoorDash account, but before I start, I would like to explain the difference between deleting, canceling, and deactivating your account. Because the only way that you can do via the official form on DoorDash website is that you can deactivate your account, which you don't want. Or at least I don't, because if you decide to deactivate your account, you won't be able to log in that account, but your information will still be stored at DoorDash databases. And if you decide to do so, you can later on activate that account again if you contact them via their contact form or from the email that you signed up. So there are two ways how you can do this. I'm going to show you the better method. If you wanna find out how you can cancel your account via email, go to gotaldr.com and search for the article how to delete DoorDash account. So let's start with the tutorial. So scroll down to the bottom of the DoorDash homepage and click on help. After the page loads, click on customer chat and click on chat again. So you need to input your first name under which you have signed up on DoorDash, the same with last name. You need to provide the email that you signed up with and also your phone number that is linked to your account. Here you choose account settings, and as a subcategory choose none and just start chatting. If you don't want to make up any message to them, just go to gotaldr.com and copy the message that we have prepared for you. Only thing that you have to do is to change your email address in that message and your phone number. If you decide to write your own message, make sure that you tell them at least once or twice that you want to get your account deleted and not deactivated. And if you just want to be sure, you can even ask them if they can confirm that they are going to delete your account. So that is it. That's how to delete your DoorDash account permanently with all your personal information. And if you need any other tutorial, just hit me up here on YouTube, or you can contact me on my email from my website. See you in the next one.